We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SCNS, Sensonics Inc. And it had a huge bull trap form yesterday going into today in the pre-market, and it has fallen. And we're going to talk about all the data with the days to cover, short interest, and also the short shares that were available from yesterday to today, and how those numbers significantly impacted Sensonics SENS stock. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with SCNS stock. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single day, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned before the bell, and this is one of the stocks I mentioned after the bell. Every single stock gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 15% on their dips and rips, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and it gave nearly 5 to 10% within the first few minutes of mentioning it in the pre-market as it went into strength. And that is CYAD. When I mentioned it in the pre-market, it was pushing upwards. You could see the strength on 42 Vision 2.0, and then we got that bear indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, pulled back, 42 Vision extreme weakness. And when these white candlesticks with red borders start to pop up, and eventually we will see some type of reversal, we got it there. We got the confirmation with the bull indicator. We got the confirmation with the strength on 42 Vision 2.0, and gave a highest point of 20% plus, guys. So if you would like to get in on early with us and be prepared and aware before things take off, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS stock, and in yesterday's video we looked at some very important things, right? We looked at the days to cover, the short interest, and also how things were moving, and if on the 30-minute we were under a bull indicator or bear indicator. We're going to pull it up here. And by the way, these premium indicators, you can gain access to them by joining. Check out the link down below, the 42 Vision tier level, and you gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and also a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the clarity you deserve through the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. So let's go ahead and break it down here. So yesterday things were pulling up. I stated 42 Vision. If I go ahead and remove here 42 Vision and look at 2.0, it was trying to level off. If it went into green, we needed it to come with strength, and if it didn't, it was going to continue the path it's been under for the last several days and weeks. And you can just see that how short-lived these green bars are, right? We got a lot more red than green, and it just continues that downward path. Now this is correlating to the days to cover and also the short shares that were available yesterday to today and the short interest. Okay, this is super important because it's all correlating and it's significant. So we're going to look at the data together. Then when we look at Ultimate 42 Vision, it did send out yesterday towards after hours a bull indicator, but it was short-lived, right? It was very weak. It only lasted from 280 to 290. That was less than 5%, or just about 5. And then it pulled downwards, and we got that bear indicator here on the 30-minute. Now, I need you guys to understand that things are a lot more volatile on the 30-minute. But if I pull up the 4-hour, you will see how clear things were looking based off the 4-hour, okay? We have been in a bear indicator since way up here in the 360s. It's been going downwards, extreme weakness, and usually this is an exciting point to look at any stock, because when that does appear, right, there tends to be a reversal, even right here, but some reversals are weaker than others, okay? These are 3 reversals that happen. Some are weaker than others, some are stronger than others. Now, we were expecting to hopefully see this reversal continue. If not, based off of 42 Vision 2.0, on the 30-minute and 4-hour, we have been in a clear downward trend. We got that bear indicator. We have not seen a bull indicator. It did the little jump up and it went back down, guys. And I stated I am in no rush. This is definitely a stock to be watching. If you're already in it, you want to pay close attention to what's going on. And if it's your first time coming across SCNS or you forgot about it, there's a lot of hype behind it and speculation that FDA is about to come anytime now. It could be weeks from now, a month from now. And if it does, this is going to be explosive due to the fact of all the data that's aligning. So the first thing is obviously 42 vision, extreme weakness on the 4-hour. Eventually, we may see a reversal, right? We don't know how strong, we don't know how volatile it'll be, but the last time on the 4-hour it did a reversal, it didn't just happen straight up. It went up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it went up, right? And it got explosive once the shorts got trapped. And it moved from way down here at 270 all the way to 418. So it is super important to be watching this and actually trying to maximize on this opportunity based off of the catalysts that are coming plus the data. If I remove here 42 vision and just show you 42 vision 2.0, since way up here it shifted from green to red, it's been going downwards, and that's what we've been seeing on the 1 day. Same thing as well, confirmation that we have been in a bearish indicator and we're in extreme weakness. Okay, the last time it had extreme weakness was way back here in the 180s, 170s, and it took all the way off towards June. It took some time and consolidated, but once that bull indicator popped up and things started to move upwards with 42 vision 2.0 and 42 vision, it showed complete strength, guys. So super important to be watching what's going on and where we stand. We're under a bear indicator, but the catalyst and data. So let's look at it together, guys. And by the way, the bull and bear indicators are an upgrade, ultimate 42 vision, that is coming soon. So here we are. The short interest data, 24%, it hasn't changed. But the days to cover changed from 9 to 7.98 from yesterday to today. Dark pool short volume ratio is at 63% from yesterday to today. Okay, yesterday was 46. That's what shows you how this tried to come back up and also how to jump here in the pre-market and jumping after the bell. Now, when you look at it though, we had changed here with short shares availability. Okay, there was nearly almost a million plus, and in the last 3 minutes, the update is 800,000. So since this number went down, there's more shorts shorting using the short volume of the available short shares to their advantage, and also the days to cover went down, so they're being much more aggressive, and you're seeing it in the charts. Okay, super important to understand this because all of this data is correlating to what is going on in the charts, and that is why it's pulling downwards. Some covering happened and then reshorting is going on. We got that bear indicator on the 30-minute. We got that shift from green to red. This was very weak, and then the full shift into weakness and consolidating here. So what is the support level we need to watch? Because this broke through some important numbers, which was way up here in the 270s. Okay, today's low was near like 263, 260s. This is super important to keep in mind as well, because if it breaks through that, the next support is down here at 252. I would just run that down to 250 and then all the way down to $2. Like I told you guys, once again, I'm in no rush. I'm watching this very carefully at these levels because the anticipation of this catalyst is bound to come. If it happens, it's huge. If it doesn't, it could be very, very volatile or quickly lose momentum. Okay, that is the honest truth. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to hype it up, but it is something to keep in mind. Okay, so on the 4-hour, same thing, extreme weakness and bear indicator since way up here in the 360s, 370s, and also 42 vision weakness. Now, what are investors saying? What's the sentiment out there? So I go over to StockTwits and see what others are saying. Now, it's so important to realize that a lot of people are talking about different things, right? You got one guy here saying FDA happening after hours. Then you got another guy that's bearish. Then you got another guy showing that Eversense is a real product. And then also people saying this could be delayed up to a month, just like another stock. And then also comments like "tell the apes the short interest is up," and just so many things, oversold. And you can go ahead and keep reading and naming it and seeing it. Now, all the people are saying always and leading towards is, all I can say is FDA comes, a short squeeze is coming with it. And this is very important to realize, that not only is one seeing this, but other investors are understanding this and seeing this as well. So the FDA approval has been in the air for some time. They have received FDA approvals, but the full FDA approval has not been fully experienced or completed. They just got the pre-approvals, right? We talked about that in yesterday's article that we saw together when it came out earlier in the year, and now everyone's anticipating this possible approval. The first thing though, for the bulls to find some strength, even if this doesn't go up right now or anytime soon, they need to find a bottom, guys. Super important with SCNS to find a bottom. If not, this can lose traction really fast, especially if it breaks through the 2s or even 250s and struggles to stay within that area from $2.50 to $2. I'm telling you guys, because the lowest point that we've seen this year has been in the 1s, but it reversed back up and it squeezed then on the news that was coming out around that time. But the trajectory has been in a downward trend. We're seeing it here on the 4-hour as well, 3-hour, whichever one you look at. It's been extreme weakness and a struggle to hold up. This needs to find a floor, and it is super important for the bulls to hold it up, find a consolidation, whether it's around here or a little bit below this or a little bit above this, and then from there start scaling upwards and put pressure on the shorts towards the next catalyst to create a short squeeze and catalyst news update of FDA approval on the 180-day continuous glucose monitors. So if you guys want to receive clarity in the charts and become part of a community of investors that are all looking to learn and grow together, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision Indicator or the Discord. You gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and investors that are all looking to learn and grow together within the community. And if you choose 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the clarity you deserve as an investor to navigate the markets through the volatility, to maximize on opportunities, to be able to see clearly with confidence what is going on within the charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.